Hello guys and welcome back. Kaspa is continuously reaching new all-time highs and aiming to achieve greater heights. Rumors are circulating that major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase might contribute to pumping Kaspa, potentially driving the price even higher. So the question arises, how can Kaspa become a top 10 cryptocurrency? What will be the price of one coin by the end of the year, and how many Kaspa coins are required to become a millionaire? So let's figure it all out. Hit a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Kaspa is a decentralized cryptocurrency that aims to improve upon the scalability and usability of blockchain technology. It builds upon the code of Bitcoin but introduces several innovative features, including a block DAG consensus mechanism that enable faster transaction processing and enhanced security. Kaspa also strives to provide a user-friendly experience by implementing simple payment verification and easy integration for developers. Kaspa is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the level of security offered by proof-of-work environments. Kaspa's current mainnet operates at 1 block per second. Down the road, core developers and researchers will work on stretching the capability to the limits 10 or even 100 blocks per second. The founder is Jonathan Sompolinsky, postdoc CS at Harvard University on the MEF research team. Jonathan's 2013 paper on Ghost Protocol is cited in the Ethereum white paper. Kaspa's core developers and contributors include such people as Michael Sutton. He's got his master's in computer science from the Hebrew University. Also Shai Wyborski, candidate in the Hebrew University and Ben Gurion University where he researched classical and quantum cryptography. Mike Zak, Elichai Turkel, and Ori Newman. So let's start with the question, how will Kaspa secure its position among the top 10 cryptocurrencies? Initially, the idea seemed ambitious, but now Kaspa has already entered the top 40 in terms of market capitalization and is steadily climbing higher each month. The continuous addition of Kaspa to various exchanges attracts increasing attention from investors. For example, recently the BTSE crypto exchange incorporated Kaspa into its platform, marking yet another step towards its goal of reaching the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It's worth noting that the current list of exchanges lacks clear leaders like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Despite this, Kaspa has managed to achieve a capitalization of $1 billion, demonstrating its potential. By being listed on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, Kaspa's price could experience a significant boost, potentially doubling its value in the prevailing market conditions. However, listing on major exchanges is not the sole factor supporting Kaspa's growth. The project boasts a robust and active community, which has played a pivotal role in spreading awareness through videos, tweets, and other forms of content. In fact, Kaspa's community on CoinMarketCap has already surpassed 100,000 members, illustrating the growing interest. Imagine if all community members invested a minimum of $500 in Kaspa, it would amount to 500 million in KAS coins. Such a substantial investment would have a notable impact on the price. To trigger a 2% growth in Kaspa, a mere $200,000 investment would suffice. Analyzing the trading volumes on platforms like Max Global, where Kaspa has a significant presence, we can observe intriguing dynamics. To increase Kaspa's price by 34 times, reaching $1.7 per coin, approximately 25 million worth of tokens would need to be purchased. The possibility of such a scenario occurring in the near future exists, as whales gradually accumulate positions and await the opportune moment to drive the price higher. Even though other exchanges hold additional assets, an investment of 50 million could propel Kaspa into the top 10 cryptocurrencies, surpassing even Polkadot. By the way, if we compare Kaspa to DOT, we can find similarities in their aspirations to create decentralized networks and foster technological projects within their ecosystems. As bull market often witness newer coins overtaking established ones, Kaspa's fresh and promising nature positions it favorably to potentially replace DOT. And while Polkadot boasts a substantial capitalization of $55 billion, Kaspa's growth potential, freshness, and intriguing features render it a strong contender. With increasing awareness and support, the price of Kaspa could reach $2.5–3.5 per coin. Of course, it's essential to consider the possibility of price fluctuations and potential corrections. However, by actively promoting this video and its recommendations, we can collectively contribute to the development and growth of the Kaspa projects. So let's hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and let's move on. So the only question that concerns all buyers of any asset is when the coin will experience growth. To find the answer, let's analyze the Kaspa charts. While no one can accurately predict how the price will behave, it's crucial to understand that buying at high prices, especially in the current market, is not advisable. Volatility is expected in the fourth quarter, which could benefit Kaspa holders. However, if you simply want to buy the coin, it's advisable to wait for a decline and then make a purchase. In fact, if there is another drop, consider buying even more. Remember, by buying now, you're purchasing from those who have already made significant profits. Sometimes patience is the best strategy. And looking at the Kaspa chart against Bitcoin, we observe a rising trend. I've drawn the trend lines to illustrate the deviation of the price from the trend. Eventually, I expect the price to return to the trend line. Considering this chart in relation to Bitcoin, Kaspa may experience a larger decline than Bitcoin and potentially have a slower rise in the coming months. Now let's shift our focus back to the Kaspa's chart against dollar. By the end of the year, it is possible that Kaspa may reach and exceed its all-time high several times, potentially reaching the 10 cents mark. This projection is more than double its current value. These numbers are derived from the formation of a triangle pattern on the daily chart. While this is not an ordinary triangle, it adheres to all the pattern's rules. Typically, such patterns break to the upside, and the subsequent growth is usually proportional to the triangle size. Considering the bottom to top growth of almost 4 cents, the Kaspa rate could surge by approximately 4 cents after an upward break, landing it at around 9 cents. This scenario could potentially unfold before the year ends. And since our goal revolves around making money with Kaspa, I'll now address a popular question. How many Kaspa coins do I need to become a millionaire? So let's explore this answer, but in the meantime, I would ask you to hit a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Throughout the video, various predictions have been made regarding the price of Kaspa, but let's figure out how many coins it truly takes to become a millionaire. I want to compare Kaspa to Solana because Kaspa plans to fully adopt the Rust programming language that Solana utilizes. Additionally, both projects are known for their high speed, capability of processing up to 1,000 transactions per second, and low fees. If Kaspa were to reach the same market capitalization as Solana, it would be 38 cents per coin. We can deduce that approximately 2.6 million Kaspa tokens would be needed to get a desired $1 million. And at the current price, you need to invest around $140,000. This amount represents a substantial sum of money that not everyone possesses. However, I also drew a comparison between Kaspa and Cardano, which at its peak achieved a market capitalization of nearly $100 billion. So let us assume that Kaspa reaches similar heights, and in this scenario the price of Kaspa coin would be around $4 to $5. Consequently, you would only require approximately 222,000 of Kaspa tokens at the current price, amounting to roughly $11,000, and these figures might appear more attainable to some. So do you believe in such scenarios? By promoting a strong marketing strategy and fostering a robust community, Kaspa has every chance of entering the top 10 cryptocurrencies and generating significant wealth for its owners. However, the ultimate outcome always depends on your own choices and actions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.